Juice up your marriage, your blessing.
Welcome to Marital workshop. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm super excited. Yes, I'm so excited that you are watching. And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. And if you've unsubscribed before, come and subscribe again. Yes, so I'm so happy to see you again. I'm so happy after a long time. Yes, I'm so happy to see you again. Okay, so today what we're talking about, blow job. What kind of job is that? Blow job. Welcome to Marital workshop. Woo! As a married woman, are you supposed to give your husband a blowjob? Or as a Christian, as a believer? Blessing. Remember, I'm born again. Tongue speaking, okay? Spirit filled. Am I supposed to give my husband a blowjob? Won't my husband see me like a bad girl? Like, I thought you were a spirit sister, a spirit-filled sister. So how come you said you want to give me a blowjob now? Or maybe your husband said, "Oh, honey, I need a blowjob today." Like, what's that? Okay, so chill. So let's talk about it. Okay, so now remember, marriage is a relationship. It's a relationship between two people, and when you go married, you are now one. Okay, you are now one. So anything you do for your husband, I don't see it as a sin in my own perspective. Okay, so in my own way, if your husband wants a blowjob and you give him a blowjob, it's not a problem. I don't think God should be angry about that. I don't know. I never asked him. But I don't think so. Come on. Okay, so giving your husband a blowjob is cool. Okay, so now one thing I don't like is the fact that those men who cheat, they always have an excuse. Okay, that we can't be eating one soup. How can we eating one carbohydrate every time? They need varieties. They need balanced diets. Okay, so now in the marriage, in the relationship, in the marriage, okay, so you need to balance your sexual life. Okay, so if you eat beans today, so let's eat semo tomorrow. Okay, so if your husband has been having the vagina penetration all the time, so let him feel another vibe from your mouth. Like, hey, this blessing, she's a bad girl. Woo, okay, so let the husband feel something different this time around. Okay, so just say sometimes this time, oh, okay, so today let me give you a treat. Now sometimes just volunteer to give your husband a treat whereby he's just going to relax. Just tell him, go shower, relax today, relax, I want to treat you. Okay, so it's not only going out taking your husband to eatery, so just to give him a treat, you can also give him a treat in bed. Okay, so when it's all freshened after, so just get into the bedroom, okay, and just hold that God-given rod of his and smush it. Okay, do you know do you know this ice cream that is in there's this ice cream, it's always in like a wafer cup. Like after licking the ice cream, you're going to eat up the wafer. I don't know if you okay, so like you're going to eat up your please don't bite your husband and tell me I'm the one. Okay, so just take the God-given word, okay, and just smush it. Use your tongue to lick the cock. Oh my God, your husband will be screaming. He's gonna call you names he has never called you before. Okay, so just lick it, like I'm ready for you today. I'm going to. So just to make him relax, let him scream at the top of his voice. Have you seen that kind of expression before? Okay. Yeah, and you should always know that when giving your husband a blowjob, concentrate on the tip. Okay. Now, so so what I was having a discussion with the woman who said that her husband loves blowjob and she can't do it. It's so irritating that how can she use the same mouth that she used to eat and drink and use the same mouth to start licking something. You know, so we started talking like, oh no, so if he wants it, why not just try to do it? So everything about marriage is sacrificial. Okay, it's sacrifice. Okay, you have to you have to make things, everything that your husband wants for your marriage to work, you have to do it. If your wife likes it too, when you use your tongue to lick all the vagina, you have to. If she likes it, you should please do it. Okay, and when having a blowjob, okay, when you're giving your husband a blowjob, concentrate on the cock, the tip, yes, the head, that place, that like cap, yes, like it's like hats, yes. So concentrate more on it. So use your tongue to lick it brown. Like, have you not? Don't you lick lollipop? Okay, don't you lick lollipop? Like you're licking lollipop. If you want a private teaching on this, oh goodness, to take your husband to another level, you can call the number shown on the screen. Okay, now, so and while having a blowjob, don't salivate all over his penis. Okay, there's a way you do it. You don't need to salivate. You don't need to get the whole place irritated because you are giving your husband a blowjob. There's a way you do your lip. Oh, Father, Lord. Okay, this is what you do your lip. Like when you're ready to suck something, to suck the goodness into your husband. Okay, and also when you're doing that, don't do it like it's irritating. No, you have to do it like you are enjoying it. Maybe while having it and you're also like, I'm not feeling this thing. Make it deeper. Okay, so don't let the penis to poke you. Okay, or until you vomit on your husband. No, don't let it get here, because if it gets here, you can throw up on him. And the old fun we thought though. What are we going to call it? So don't do that. So don't let it get here. Okay, so maybe while sucking, even if your husband's penis is long, so don't let it get your what we call here third. Yes, your third, because you can't throw up. So just there's a way you can do it. You can practicalize it. You can do it. You can do a rehearsal tonight. Okay, you can even do it anytime. So just do something. Now, why sucking it? So why sucking your husband's penis and giving him that smooshing and everything? So also learn to rub. Use your hands to rub the testes or what do we call it? Scrotum. Yes, scrotum or blockos. When we're growing up, we used to call that thing blockos. Oh goodness, who taught me English? Okay, so when we're growing up, we used to call that blockos. So if you know it to be blockos, fine. If you need to be scrotum, good. Okay, so just rub that thing. Use your hand to rub it. Okay, and also use your tongue. Lick it like you're licking lollipop, like ice cream, not salivating. So just salivate all over the penis, and also play with the scrotum mud. So there's a way you do it. So your husband's gonna scream, I love to hear that sound. Okay. Yes. And also, if you want to get a blowjob, you need to have a clean shave. So why would you tell me you want a blowjob and the whole place is all bushed up, like bush, like farmland? Excuse me. Okay. So you have to do a clean shave. Let the whole place be sparkling, like a compound that is well swept, like a sitting room that is well swept and mopped. Okay, so you can see everything. Okay, so you know when you have a clean shave, sex is even sweeter. Don't have a boring sex life. Okay, don't have a boring marriage. Okay, now you need to understand that blowjob cannot save your marriage. Only Jesus can save a marriage. Not even blowjob, not even the style you give your husband, not even the way you do the sex, the way you place it, or the way you do it. But only Jesus can save a marriage. Only Jesus keeps marriages. Yes, Jesus keeps marriages. Only Him can do that. So if you are having any trouble in your marriage, sexually, emotionally, financially, in any way, emotionally, go to Jesus. He's the answer to it all. I'm so happy whenever I talk about Jesus, because he's so good. I'm telling you, try him and see what I'm saying. He has beauty. Something like, how you look so beautiful. You look so good. The secret is Jesus Christ. Now, when you have Jesus, you have everything. Even if you don't have money, people just see you to be rich. Even if you don't have food, people just see you are enjoying. So, Jesus can only make your marriage work. So go to Jesus today and let Him save your marriage. Let Him save your husband from womanizing. Okay, let Him save your wife from running back to her ex. He said, "Come to me, all you who are heavily laden, and I will give you rest." I will give you rest. Okay, rest in your finance, rest in your marriage. He's the only one who gives rest. So go to Jesus today and give your life to Jesus today, and let Him give you the rest that you deserve. Thank you for watching. Yes, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to notify you when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.